Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So if y'all like my wig, do y'all like my wig? It look good, huh? This is the Outre Perfect Hairline Glueless 13x6 HD Lace Front Wig. Her name is Mailah. Girl, I love this wig down. Now, if you want to see how I put this wig on and the specs about the wig and what I think about this wig, go ahead and stay tuned. But if not, go ahead and buy the wig right now if you just like the way it looks.
Say that you miss me, just come get me. Don't know why it's 7 p.m. Friday, it's 95 degrees. I ain't got no nigga, and no nigga ain't got me. Let's go. I'm about to show my ass. These niggas love freak. How the fuck is that your man? If he right here with me, turned up with my niggas, turned up with my bitches, turned up in my shows, yeah, cause I got that blick. 60,000 fans can't see me do my dance. Got 1,000,001 haters, and they y'all can kiss my ass. Turned up with my niggas, turned up with my bitches, turned up in my shows, yeah, cause I'm right here with me. I'm a fifth of hand, getting fucked up with my twin. Got a backwood full of slop, and a bankroll full of beans. All that Twitter typing, bitches see me and ain't do nothing. Pop top with some biker shorts, I'm showing off my moose nut. I'm feeling good today, I'm outside with your bait. Got a brown skin nigga with dreads, and a black ass nigga with waves. He gon' drop that net, he love the way I sit. Fake nails, bitches press, so high, damn the red. I keep the pussy fresh, get the shirt on wet. Who wants smoke, say what? Oh, get that off your chest. Turned up with my niggas, turned up with my bitches, turned up in my shows, yeah, cause I got that blick. 60,000 fans can't see me do my dance. Got 1,000,001 haters, and they y'all can kiss my ass. It's 7 p.m. Friday, it's 95 degrees. I ain't got no nigga, and no nigga ain't got me. Let's go. I'm about to show my ass. These niggas love freak. How the fuck is that your man? If he right here with me, Friday night, hot as hell, and you know the hoes out. Mani petty, fresh set, and I got my toes out. I'm rocking off-white on the off night. These bitches with me pretty, and they y'all can fight. Yeah, fuck you mean? 40 inches, 6'13". I'm looking fine as hell. I'm trying to be seen. I'm finna wreck the scene. I'm out the 17. Turned up with my nigga Neil. Watch me do my. Turned up with my niggas. Turned up with my bitches. Turned up in my shows. Yeah, cause I got that blick. 60,000 fans can't see me do my dance. Got 1,000,001 haters, and they y'all can kiss my ass. It's 7 p.m. Friday, it's 95 degrees. I ain't got no nigga, and no nigga ain't got me. Let's go. I'm about to show my ass. These niggas love freak. How the fuck is that your man? If he right here with me.
She said she my eye, but I don't know her, had to look her up. I know that I'm rich, but I can help it, bitch, I'm good as fuck. I've been on these bitches' necks so long, sometimes I fucking stuck. I can put you in my business, you might wish me dead tomorrow. Bitches be on dick today, sing every word of up tomorrow. Bitch, I still got cases open, keep your mouth shut tomorrow. Stay with me today, then get some sleep, you know it's up tomorrow. Fake bitch, that's why my friend fucked on your nigga. Both you bitches pussy, I think y'all should scissor. She bought a chain, I bought the same one, even bigger. She throwing shots, that's how I know I got a trigger. I don't speak dog hoe, I don't care what no bitch say. I stay on her mind, I got condos in that bitch head. She said she don't fuck with me, who say that you can't hold? That nigga munching, he gon' eat me like a mango. Long ass week, it be tickling my ass crack. Wonder what I do tomorrow that these hoes will be mad at. Oh yeah, bitches sweet, and I always get my lick boo. I thought for my bitches and I'm fighting over dick too.
Can't say your name up in my songs, might not fuck with you tomorrow. Can get my feelings hurt today, I won't give a fuck tomorrow. Ain't fucked up by no credit score, I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love tomorrow. Can't say your name up in my songs, might not fuck with you tomorrow. Can get my feelings hurt today, I won't give a fuck tomorrow. Ain't fucked up by no credit score, I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love tomorrow. Poppin' shit, you would think I went to school for chiropractic. Looking good as hell today, just sent my nigga 5 attachment. Why'd you come from me about a nigga, man? You bitch back for that. Come at me about niggas who I don't even find attractive. I don't know that nigga, I just just seen them on the town before. I can't be up in her face, I took her nigga down before. When I lose a nigga, I just pop out and go find some more. Soon as I feel like my time get wasted, then it's time to go. They say they don't fuck with me, but I say they can't fuck with me. Just like the air, I'm everywhere. How you say it so with me? Them bitches should've stayed down. They could've been up with me, but all they doing is talking down, cause they can't get up with me. My ex looking on my old friend, both they ass some fucking clowns. Thinking that she got one up on me, she got my hand me down. Thought he wasn't gon' have to stand on shit like he was handicapped. Made that nigga stand on it, now his ass can't stand me now. High as fuck, I'm lit up, I don't smoke no two shots. Flying with my gang and them, looking at them like sisters. Bitches be lame, they go outside about these niggas. I don't wanna hang with them, they don't have no business. They be going for anything, but I can't go for none of that. Why would I go chase you if I know you gon' come running back? Cut that body off, they been feeling like a lumberjack. They really get me fucked up, and now I'm going for none of that. She the type that nigga make.
Okay, y'all, this is the end result, and this, I must say, was a pretty, for me, was an easier install than that last one, I must admit. The cap is very big head friendly. I was able to put it on really easy. The lace was really, it was already really good, to be quite honest. Like, when I get under the light, it's a little light, and the sun is not out anymore because it's 7. So I would go and do like a sun check, but this one was pretty good. Again, big cap friendly. Because of my hairline, I went ahead and just did the lace over the hair right here and just did a glue in front of my hairline. So, and then I just tinted it a little bit. I didn't use the spray. I think I put it away. I didn't use the lace tint spray this time around. I used the L'Oreal True Match, and I just dusted it, and it worked out pretty well. It is hot in here. Now, this hair is going to tangle, and it is hot. So I would not recommend this wig for the upcoming season of spring and summer. But most definitely, like, say if you live in a place where it doesn't get super cold, super hot. It's thick. I do like the texture. It's kind of like a yucky texture. It does give like black girl human hair, but it is super thick. It tangles. You see I changed my outfit to like a tube top type of dress because first of all, I was getting hot. Second of all, the hair was attaching to that top that I was wearing. So I went ahead and had to take that off. So yeah, it does tangle in the back, but that's to be expected because it's synthetic. So you win some, you lose some. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to do like a side part with this because I don't want to do a side part. And this is without like putting the heat on it. But yeah, this turned out pretty good. I recommend this wig. I definitely recommend this wig. Now, I honestly don't think it's going to last very long, child. I don't think it's going to last long, but for the time being, do not sleep in this wig. Do not sleep in this wig. Put it on, take it off at night. Don't do that. So, but overall, this wig is pretty good. I love the fact that the lace was very easy to work with. Okay, with that being said, if you want this wig, it is in the link down below. It's linked to my Amazon store because that's where I usually get all my wigs. So if you want to get this wig, go ahead and get you one of these. It's a chicken salad. Yeah. Oh, and this is what it's looking like, the length on me. I'm 5'11". So if you're shorter, it's going to be longer. If you're taller, it's going to be shorter on you. So leave a comment down below if you like this look. And go ahead and like the video and make sure you subscribe. Alright.
Going too soon. Me, I'm kinda ratchet still, so I'm the type of beast, I can't love you, baby, like your bitch do, so don't